میں تھانوں پتہ Saturday every day I do charity, support Farouk and the mosque. I do the Dubai Sijad as well. A lot of people are talking about me, saying that she's not being fair with us. I help anybody and everybody. Why Sijad doesn't have a problem when I go to his food bank. When I come here, they don't have a problem. Nobody's got a problem with me. Yeah. So I want to just clear myself, and I'm leaving it to Allah. Yeah. If I was in the wrong, I would tell you. Yeah. So please stop talking about me. Stop spreading these rumors. Everybody's getting to know this. Yeah. I like to help everybody. I'm a social worker. I've done COVID. I've helped certain parties. I've never had any options. Yeah. If I'm going to the market, I help. I do a lot of volunteer. You know that. Who I was getting this message. I'm not mentioning a name, but I'm very, very hurt with this thing. Yeah. There should be. I can vote who I want to vote. Yeah. Whether I vote or I don't vote. But you can't say to me, you can't come here because of this, because of this. No. I help everybody, and I will carry on, inshallah, with my mom's dua.